Hi everyone. This video is about the top 20 engineering institutions in Karnataka. Now, this ranking is not based upon my opinion. It is based on the NIRF ranking. NIRF stands for National Institutional Ranking Framework. Now, this is a ranking which is published by MHRD, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and it was released by the Honorable HRD Minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, a few days ago. Okay, so based on that, I have selected the institutions in Karnataka and I have published a ranking here. I have published a ranking list here based on their rank published by the NIRF ranking by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Okay, so before getting into the ranking, for this ranking, around 1071 institutions from all over India have applied for this ranking, and this ranking has been awarded to these institutions. Out of this 1071 institutions, 200 institutions have been selected and they have been published and they have been awarded the ranks from 1 to 200 all over India. And this ranking has been given based on various parameters. The first parameter being the teaching, learning, and the resources in these institutions. Okay, the second parameter being the resource publications and the professional practice in these institutions. Okay, maybe the publications, the number of publications, the quality of publications in these institutions, the number of patents, the number of projects, etc. It is also given based on graduation outcomes, like how many students have graduated from these institutions and what are the metrics used for university exams in these institutions, etc. It is also awarded based on outreach and inclusivity in these institutions and the perception of academic peers and employers, as well as the facilities in these institutions for socially challenged students or physically challenged students and for meritorious candidates, etc. So based on various parameters, scores have been given to these institutions, and based on that, a ranking has been provided to these institutions by the MHRD of the Government of India. Now, this ranking will be currently very much useful for engineering aspirants in Karnataka, for all those students inside Karnataka, as well as all the outstation candidates, other state candidates in India, as well as it may be useful for all the other country students or the NRI students who wish to get admitted in some engineering institution in Karnataka. So let's get into the video. So first here, the rankings from 11 to 20 I have published here. So here in rank number 20, we have the National Institute of Engineering in Mysore. Now this National Institute of Engineering in Mysore got a score of 32.17 and its NIRF ranking is 175. Okay. And in rank number 19 in Karnataka, we have BMS Institute of Technology and Management in Bangalore. And its score is 32.36 and its ranking is 169. Okay. And in rank number 18, we have Alliance University. Its score is 33.00 and its ranking is 159. In rank number 17, we have PES College of Engineering in Mandya in Karnataka with a score of 33.65 and its NIRF ranking was 147. And in rank number 16, we had KLE Technological University, which is in Dharwad in Karnataka, and its score was 34.34 with a ranking of 136. Okay. And then in rank number 15, we had NMAM Institute of Technology in Nitte in Udupi with a score of 34.73 and its ranking was 133. In rank number 14, we had JSS Science and Technology University in Mysore with a score of 34.81 and with a ranking of 132. And in rank number 13, we had Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology in Bangalore with a score of 34.97 and with a rank of 128. And in rank number 12, we had Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, again in Bangalore, with a score of 35.11 and with a ranking of 126. In rank number 11, we had Jain University with a score of 36.49 and with a ranking of 170. So this is about the rankings of the institutions top in the institutions in the ranking of 11 to 20. So in rank number 10, we had the New Horizon College of Engineering, which is near Marthahalli in Bangalore, with a score of 36.60 and with a ranking of 114, NARF ranking of 114. The contact details is also published here. In rank number 9, we have PES University. PES University has 3 campuses in Bangalore. One in 100 feet ring road, the other one is in Hanumanta Nagar, and the other one is in Electronic City campus. So its score is 37.94 with a NIRF ranking of 93. So the quota and the management seat bookings have already been started for many of these institutions currently. And in rank number 8, we have Siddhaganga Institute of Technology with a score of 38.23 and with a NIRF ranking of 91. Okay, it is in Tumkur in Karnataka. And in rank number 7, we have BMS College of Engineering with a score of 40.35 and with a NIRF ranking of 73. In rank number 6, we have RV College of Engineering, again in Bangalore. It is in Mysore Road in Bangalore. And its score is 41.02 and its NIRF ranking is 70. In rank number 5, we have International Institute of Information Technology in Bangalore with a score of 43.55 and with a NIRF ranking of 62. It is again in Electronic City, Hosur Road, Bangalore. And in rank number 4, we have MS Ramaya Institute of Technology with a score of 43.74 and with an NIRF ranking of 59. So it is in MS Ramaya Nagar in Bangalore. In rank number 3, we have the Vishveshwaraya Technological University in Belagavi with a score of 45.37 and with a NIRF ranking of 55. In rank number 2, we have Manipal Institute of Technology with a score of 49.06 and with a NIRF ranking of 45. So it is in Manipal in Udupi district of Karnataka. And the rank number 1, the first educational institution in Karnataka to be in the NIRF ranking is NIT Surathkal, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka Surathkal, which is called in short as NITK Surathkal, with a score of 61.30 and with a NIRF ranking of 13. Interestingly, it was having a score of 55.19 in 2019 and it has now improved to 61.30 and it has risen to the level of the first educational institution in Karnataka to be in the NIRF ranking with a ranking of 13. Okay, now that is all about the top 20 educational institutions in Karnataka. Hope this video would be useful for all the engineering aspirants in Karnataka to select their educational institutions. Feel free to write your comments below this video about your views. And if you found this information useful, do like the video. And for more such updates, subscribe to the channel. Stay connected. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.